We are here today with the Mr. Peter Johnson, and we're going to go over sawhorses, C-clamps, and as well as a circular saw. Safety first, folks!
This is a quick grip clamp, and what it allows you to do is by squeezing the trigger, you can do one-handed clamping. This releases to open it up. So what it means is you can very effectively clamp something just by using one hand. With the circular saw, you have the ability right back here to loosen the table here to adjust the blade height. First thing you want to do is make sure that you are not plugged in. And then you can set this on your material, go just below it, and then you can lock this in place. The circular saw has a yellow handle on the blade guard. This allows you to pull this back when you're first lining up your cut. And you want to make sure that you line up on the right side of the line. So this side of the material I'm cutting off, so I want to make sure that I line up so that I'm not cutting into the piece of material I want to use.